How you doing, sir?
Hi.
Is everybody here an American citizen?
I'm not answering any questions today.
Do you have any ID on you?
I'm not answering any questions.
Okay.
I have a
The
lawyer
vehicle
here.
belongs to you?
I'm not answering any questions.
Okay. I'm going to ask you to go ahead and we're going to pull over to the side here. Is that okay? Because
No,
you're
thank you.
blocking the flow of traffic.
I'd like to be on my way.
Say again?
I'd like to be on my way.
Well, you're currently being detained. You understand that?
I'm being detained.
Yes.
What's the probable cause for that?
Well, this is an immigration checkpoint.
Mm-hmm.
Under the law, we have to determine your citizenship.
And I have a right to not answer any questions without a lawyer present. And so I'd like to be on my way.
Yeah, you do, but we also need to determine citizenship.
Okay.
So that's why I'm asking these questions to see if we can determine citizenship.
Mm-hmm. Right, and you still don't have probable cause to detain me, so I'd like to continue to travel freely, unmolested, as I have a right to do.
Okay, I understand what you're saying, but the detention is considered an exception.
I'm a nice guy, I'm a fair guy, I've been on the state police for a long time. When I see somebody driving the way you did, on 146, weaving in and out of traffic back there, and then take the exit ramp from the high-speed lane with no directional on your motorcycle. I often wonder why you guys get into accidents. Seriously, I've been in this business for 18 years. Okay, there's absolutely no reason to drive like that. Okay, 2 weeks ago on a Sunday, I had a motorcycle, drive by the barracks. I could hear it. 2 minutes later, we got called for an accident. The kid snapped his ankle right off his leg. Okay, totally unnecessary, all right? You have a license and registration, please? I'm not going to chase you, because if I got behind you out there, you would have just taken off. No, I don't do that. How is your license? What we're going to do is I'm going to pull my cruiser to the left. You're going to go right there where that car just pulled in and stop right there. Jerry. You're very lucky. You stopped, you can give me a high time. I could be writing you a ticket for $500 right now. Multiple violations, lane roadway, following too close, no turn signal and speed. Be careful on this. Have a good day. Come on, let's get it moving.
You get it moving. I just got here. Get back in your sweet ass cruiser and get out of here. How do you say your name?
Why is that?
Because you've made contact with me and you're a law enforcement officer. Shouldn't you have introduced yourself when you first made contact with me instead of telling me to get out of here?
Tell me why I gotta leave.
Because you got no business here.
Why don't I?
You don't have any legitimate business here.
Why don't I?
Well, maybe you do. You can hang out with me if you want. But I'm not going anywhere. You've already screwed up multiple times. You already said I'm on private property, which I'm not. You've already said I can't be here, which I can. There's nothing you can do about it. So have a nice day. That's why I'm just saying.
Hey, keep it at there. Keep it at there. Don't ask.
You just get back in the cruiser and have a nice day. Okay. God bless you.
Do you have your weapon on you?
What's that?
Do you have your weapon on you?
No, I don't.
Okay. Got a CCW permit, right?
Yes, I do.
Okay, what's the first thing you're supposed to do when you get pulled over and the police approach your car?
No, when I am carrying, I'm supposed to
You're
notify.
still supposed to identify whether you have it or not.
No, sir, I'm not.
Yes, you are.
Really?
Yes,
You
really.
you adamant
yes.
about that?
Yes.
You know how everybody... Oh, okay. I mean,
That's one of the first things you're supposed to do.
if I'm carrying. If I'm not carrying a weapon, I am not required to notify. This is a company truck. I am not allowed to carry.
It doesn't matter, but when I run your info, it says you got a CCW.
Yeah, I understand that.
Okay. You still living on Delmar?
Yes, sir.
And what's your phone number?
And on that farm he had a pig. E-I-E-I-O. And a oink oink here and a oink oink there. Here oink there, oink everywhere and oink oink. Old MacDonald had a farm. E-I-E-I-O.
All right, sir.
MacDonald had a farm. E-I-E-I-O. And on that farm he had a duck. E-I-E-I-O. With the quack quack here and a quack quack there. Here quack here there. Oh man, that's a hilarious song.
Okay. Don't go back.
How you guys doing though?
Good.
What's your favorite song?
He hasn't given me his ID yet.
Oh, you have a legal reason to detain him because I'm an officer of the law.
Sir, listen. They want you trespassing.
I don't give a shit what they want, dude.
So I need to ID you.
Oh,
so I
you
can
do?
trespass.
Yeah,
Yes,
yeah.
sir,
No, you
lawfully
don't. I
trespass.
haven't been on their property, so you
You
can.
were inside the bank.
Oh, I was inside the
Yes,
bank.
you were.
Where?
And when they asked you to leave.
Have you investigated?
I did talk to the employees.
Oh, you
They said
talked,
that
so
were
it's
in there.
hearsay. It's hearsay.
Okay, do you want me to go review the cameras?
Yeah, sure,
And
go
then
do
I'll
that.
arrest you for not identifying yourself.
Yeah, go do that. Yep. And then I'll hit you with a 1983, you dumbass. How you doing?
I'm doing all right.
What's your favorite song? I'm thinking Linkin Park. You like that one?
A little too heavy for me, but
Well, we're gonna sing "Burn It Down."
gotcha. Okay.
All right, here we go. Here we go. So you guys think you can like detain me and then ID me and stuff?
I mean, yes, you can be detained.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Hell yeah.
All right, so the employee did.
He did.
Said you weren't inside the bank. You were outside.
As
Stay on the sidewalk.
explosions
Okay.
broke in the
You've been
sky.
notified. Have
You've been notified to Mike.
Have a good day.
Next time, investigate first, bud.
Have a good day.
Have a bad day, man.
To advise, go ahead and try to get it stopped if you can.
Don't shoot me, please. I got a daughter.
Moody, I understand that you've offered your resignation. Is that correct?
You fired.
Have you offered your resignation or not?
I can keep my job and not.
Well, you can't keep your job, okay? So let me just make it easy. You're fired. You're no longer an employee here. You understand?
Sir.
You've betrayed the trust of every citizen that we have the privilege to serve. And you've betrayed the trust of the brave and selfless men and women that you've worked alongside for nearly 3 years. So as of this moment, you're under arrest for bringing a prohibited item, a cell phone, into a correctional facility. That's a third-degree felony. You have any questions about that? Well, you're going to be cuffed. First thing I want you to do is stand up and take that uniform shirt off. You don't deserve to wear it.